Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm very happy to talk to you about my environment and other issues related to it. It brings me back to my attending the United Nations General Assembly in 1969, when the Minister of Environment of Holland, she said, the glass of water lying in front of me has been drunk in Holland 7 times before. It shows the amount of recycling that had been practiced by European countries more than 50 years ago. But it's never too late for Pakistan really to realize how important it is to save our water. The industry can play a very important role, in reducing the quantity of fresh water they use. And then the fresh water they use should be recycled to make sure that not a drop of that is wasted. Also, there are in many of the effluents coming from industry, especially the leather industry, which has chrome, that can be reclaimed, and it is financially advantageous to use that chrome again and save that water to be recycled. But you must realize that over 80% of the water that we use in Pakistan is used by agriculture. And there again, there has to be a massive education of the farmer. Today he irrigates his land by flooding it. He should be encouraged to use furrows, which reduces the water usage. He should be encouraged to use drip irrigation, both for orchards, for fruit growing, and for crop growing. So the government has to educate first itself, and then the farmers, the industries should, those who are ahead in recycling their paper, their water, should share their experience with other companies who are doing similar industry. So the challenge is immense, and it can be solved. It requires determination, it requires passion, it requires commitment to making Pakistan prosperous and successful in the future. We still have more water than most countries in the world, and we should be grateful for what we have. We should look after it, we should preserve it. We are not harvesting our rainwater the way it can be done both in the cities and elsewhere. So I wish you success in the future, and the more you talk about it, the more it will help. Thank you. जो तो मैंने कहा कि जिसने किया वो they should share that experience with others. Government की policy को नहीं चलेगी वो तो. There is so much to be done by the private sector, and it should demonstrate that it doesn't have to depend on government to save water. Well, I mean, as far as energy is concerned, we are blessed with sunshine at least 300 days a year, and we should take full advantage of solar power. And then store it during the daytime to be used when the sun is not there.
थोड़ा सा जो है वो जिक्र करते हैं about Dawn's
जी
ये conference के हवाले से कुछ.
Yeah, I want to congratulate Dawn for the initiative they have taken to bring all these important subjects to the notice of the users of energy, users of water, users of other natural gifts that we have, and I'm very in great admiration of the good work that Dawn is doing and has been doing ever since it was founded almost 80 years ago. And I've been a very ardent reader of Dawn, even when it was published from Delhi. Yeah, Dawn has played a very important role in bringing all these important issues to the notice of its readers and the public. And I hope it will continue to do so forever in the future. I hope the community will wake up to the excellent excellent effort that is being made by organizations like Dawn, for which we need to thank them. No, industry needs to be educated also. And and my appeal is to the industry that is more sophisticated, which is more aware of these things, should share their experience with the ones that are not practicing it. Yeah, I mean, we can bring it to the notice of government, and government can disseminate this information. Government also is very conscious of the importance of economizing on usage of energy and water. So this is something which is in line with the government's policy. They need to applaud the industry that is practicing it and doing a good job, so that others can adopt it.